From this selection, you can conclude that during a shark attack, A. Certain noises attract sharks. B. You must have a stick or other object to survive. C. You should set off explosives to blow up. Or D. Try to wound the shark if you have no other options. Let's take a look in the text and see if we can find facts to back up each choice, starting with A. Certain noises attract sharks. We see in the first sentence that the paragraph tells us we do not know if banging rocks together, screaming, or shouting have any value in stopping a shark attack. Because there is no basis in the text to back up this fact, we can mark it as incorrect. B. You must have a stick or other object to survive. The paragraph discusses a stick called a shark billy. It's a stick that can be used to push the shark away. The paragraph tells us that it is very handy to have a shark billy, but nowhere does it say you must have one in order to survive. Therefore, this can be marked as incorrect. C. You should set off explosives to blow up. On the contrary, the paragraph tells us that explosives are known to attract sharks. Therefore, this as well can be marked as incorrect. D. Try to wound the shark if you have no other options. At the end of the paragraph, it tells us don't ever try to attack and wound a shark unless it is as a last resort. In other words, unless you have no other options. Because this reflects choice D, we can mark it as our final answer.